to Keeping Up with the Redheads. I have Case here. We're doing 4th of July Shenanigans. And we're gonna show y'all some bomb fireworks. Right.
Sure.
Okay, let's go. We are vlogging on this as well. Stay tuned.
Oh my gosh!
I'm scared!
Oh my gosh, it goes off all at one time?
Right there.
Okay, here we go.
Back away! Back away! Yeah!
Okay, we're doing some behind the scenes action. Ow! Hot fireworks. Here's my Roman candle that we're not gonna set off right now. We're gonna do a bone breaker.
Yeah.
We have a bunch of competition
I can't see.
behind us and all around us, so we are trying to show them up. And we are sweating our butts off. Literally sweating our butts off. So hot.
Literally sweat
But
is going down my butt.
we're doing a bone breaker. And we didn't tell them that we're doing this. We're gonna scare them.
Remember, you're supposed to
We're
be
vlogging.
distracting.
Okay, where do I light it?
There. Hold on. Don't do it.
Is it gonna for real, like jump up and break my bones?
No.
Do I have to do a beeline?
Okay, we'll show y'all what it looks like.
All right, get ready to run.
How many are there? Okay, we're gonna light some bad boys up. We're gonna see if we can do it though. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hurry. Woo!
I think a spark blew up my nose.
Ew.
Abby? No.
I'm not doing anything. That came out of nowhere. I think I'm...
What do you want to be?
No, I'm not gonna do that. That's just... I don't want to be famous.